brothers. Got special help today videoing. Be the girlfriend. A little update on the car. Got it back together. Got new lifters or lash adjusters, if you want to call them. It's running a little better. I still got to go set up a tune date. We went ahead and installed a bigger lower pulley and got a correct belt size. That way I got some tension on the belt now and it moves like it's supposed to. The old belt was you had to force it over, which is bad for everything. We haven't set a tune date yet. We got to do that here soon. I had an issue, fans not coming on. I believe the CCRM box went bad on it, which is up in this fender. We went for a test drive yesterday. It's definitely driving a lot better. Had the girlfriend help me pull the plugs out, check the plugs and re-gapped them. Made the gap a little smaller, a little tighter. But, that's it for the update video. Like, share, and subscribe.